So on Scorpio and Z4, we have got a base model, so we have added necessary accessories to the car. First thing is, from the starting, if you see here, we are adding a fog light. So the fog light was dummy in Z4 version, so we have added original genuine of Mahindra's fog light to it. So the headlight was also poor, so what we have done is we have added RSCARPREMIUM headlight to it. So the mirrors were basic mirrors, so we have upgraded with auto folding mirror. This is also Mahindra genuine. So let's go and check it out how it works. So the mirrors are open, so let's close it. So the close function is working. Open function also will work. On the switches also the same function, open and close function also will work. So on Z4 we don't get a 360-degree camera, so we are not able to add onto the original system 360. So we have come up with the RSCARPREMIUM Shield 360. So customer had a big vehicle, so customer's main issue was he was not able to park. So we added a 360-degree to it. So if you see here, you get a 4 cameras, one on the front, 2 on the mirrors, 1 on the rear. So on this dash cam, the best part is you can have live recording with Bluetooth to your original audio system. So the customer's interior was with brown, so he wanted a brown seat cover. So we have added with perforated brown seat covers. So these are the basic upgrade we have done for the Scorpio N. So there are some other upgrades like you can add your door visor, window garnish, you can add an alloys. So there are some other accessories which can be added. So the customer wanted the automated accessories for his car, so we have added completely. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with accessories, please do reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.